નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Chapter number 3 is continuous for standard 6 and exercise 3.4. In exercise 3.4, which of the following numbers are co-prime? So here using the one word co-prime. So what is the co-prime? So dear students, co-prime means if any numbers factor, common factor is only one is a common factor. It means this number is co-prime number. If any numbers find the factor and the common factor is only for one, then these two number it's a co-prime number. Understands? So now we'll solve our first question answer. So first of all 18 and 35. So first of all find the factor of 18 and find the factor of 35. This means factor of 18 and then after factor of 35. So dear students, find the factor of 18. So which number is the factor of 18? Then 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. This one is the factor of 18. How to find the factor of, we will discuss already. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. This one is the factor of 18. And the factor of 35. Then factor of 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. This one is the factor of 35. Now find the common factor. So here is the common factor is 1 and 1. Then no common factor. This means 1 is only one common factor. So common factor is equal to 1. It means the common factor is means 1. Then 18 and 35 is the co-prime number. Write down 18 and 35 co-prime number. Understand student, what is the co-prime number? Its co-prime number is means only one factor. One is factor. This one is the co-prime number. Same for the second question, find the 15 and 37. So first of all find the factor of 15. Factor of 15 is means 1, 3, 5 and 15. Then after find the factor of 37. The factor of 37 is means only for 1 and 37. 1 and 37. Why? Because 37 किसी के भी टेबल में नहीं आता, only 1 के टेबल में, यानी कि 37 1 जा 37. Okay. Now find the common factor. So here also for the common factor is only 1. No common factor. It means 15 and 37 is co-prime number. 15 and 37 is co-prime number. Understand what is the co-prime numbers? Same for the third questions. 17 and 68, factor of 17. Factor of 17 is means 1 and 17 only. Now find the factor of 68. Factor of 68. What is the factor of 68? 1, 2, 4, 7, 34 and 68. This one is the factor of 68. So find the common factor. 1, 1, 17. And sorry, here is also for the 17 for the 68, 17. So here is the two common factor, 1 and 17. So this one is the co-prime number? No, this one is not a co-prime number. Why? Because here is common factor 1 and 17. Then 1 and 17. So this one is not co-prime number. So 17 and 16, 8 is not co-prime number. 17 and 68 is not co-prime number. Understand how to find the co-prime number? Okay. Now to the last questions, question number 4, 81 and 16. So first of all find the factor of 81. The factor of 81 is means 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. This one is the factor of 81. Okay. Then after find the factor of 16. What is the factor of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This one is the factor of 16. Now find the common one. 3 not, 9 not, 27 not, 81 not, 2 no, 4 no, 8 no, 16 no. It means only common factor is 1. So 1 is only common factor. Then only common factor is means 81 and 16 is co-prime number. So understand students, what is the co-prime number? Co-prime number is means common factor only 1. it's called a co-prime number. So this one is the co-prime numbers questions. Understand? Okay. Now to our next questions. This means exercise 3.5, the first question. Find the factor of 60, but in a T diagram. So what is the T diagram? So dear students, 60, it means this one is 60. Now 60 to this, 30 2 जा 32 जा 60, yes or no? Now 2 के अब कोई पार्ट नहीं बने, लेकिन इसके होते हैं 30 के 2 पार्ट, 15 सेकंड पार्ट, 2, 15 के भी 2 पार्ट होते हैं, 5 and 3, right? 60 30 2 जा 30, 15 2 जा 15, 5 3 जा. So it's called a T diagram. Factor of 60 is using the T diagram. Now what is the factor? So 2, 3, 5, 15, 30, this all are is the factor of 60. Now this one is only one T diagram. You are solved another T diagram. How to solve? First of all, start 60. Here is the 32G. So one more time, 10 and 60. 10 6 ja 60. Now 10 to 2 part. 10 is means 5 2 ja 5 2 ja, and this one is 3 2 ja 3 2 ja. So this one is also for the T diagram. Find the factor of 60. So dear student, clear? What is the T diagram? It's called a T diagram. It's called a T diagram. Understands? What is the T diagram and how to find the factor of any numbers using the T diagram? Clear? To the continue exercise 3.5, the question number 2. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in term of its prime factor. This means find the factor of 4-digit number but prime factor. So first of all, dear students, what 4-digit number but greatest 4-digit number? So what is the greatest 4-digit number? So we all are know 9999. This one is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay. Now find the factor. जब आपको but of its prime factor find करने के लिए कहा हो तब आपको T diagram का use करना पड़ेगा. It means this one is 3 and this one is 3 3 3 and 3. It means 3333 multiplied by 3. It means 9999. अब इसके तो कोई फैक्टर नहीं है, इसके फैक्टर हो सकते हैं. कौन से? तो वन फैक्टर इज 3 and second factor is 1 1 1 and 1. 1111 multiplied by 3 means 3333. Clear? Now this factor is not possible, but in this factor is 101 multiplied by 11. 101 multiplied by 11, it means 1111. Okay? Clear? So this one is the our prime factor. So 4-digit number prime factor is equal to 3 3 101 and 11. It means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 101. This all are is the prime factor. 3 is prime factor, 11 is also prime factor, and 101 is also for the prime factor. So this all are is the prime factor, and this one is the 9999. So understand how to using the prime factor of the using the T diagram. Same for the our third question. It means next question. Here 4-digit greatest number, but here is 5-digit smallest number. Now what is the 5-digit smallest number, dear students? So 5-digit smallest number is 10,000. This one is 5-digit smallest number. So this 10,000, here is 2 and here is 5,000. 5,000 multiplied by 2, it means 10,000. 2 के कोई फैक्टर नहीं हो सकते, इसके फैक्टर हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. So this one is factor is in this side 2, in this side 2,500. 2,500 2s are 5,000. Okay? Then after, here is the factor. One factor is 5 and second factor is 500. 5 500s are 2,500. Understand? 5 के कोई फैक्टर नहीं, इसके फैक्टर फाइंड करो. So this one is 5 जा, this one is 100. 100 multiplied by 5 means 500. 5 के कोई फैक्टर नहीं है लेकिन 100 के है. आगे बढ़ो. this one is 5 and here is 20. 25 is 100, 25 is 100. 5 के कोई फैक्टर नहीं लेकिन इसके है, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बढ़ो. 2 10 जा, so 2 10 जा also for the 20. 2 के नहीं है, इसके है. Write down, here is 5 and here is 2. So here is 5 and 2 is the no factor. So our sum is here is completed. But now write the prime factor. So what is the prime factor? So here is, dear students, 1 2 3 and 4. 4 times 2, it means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 1 2 3 and 4. 4 times 5. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So dear students, this one is the prime factor. See, 2 is the prime factor and 5 is also for the prime factor. 2 multiplied by 2, it means 2, 4 times 2 and 4 times 5. आप multiplication करोगे तो आपको आंसर कितना मिलेगा? 10,000. So this one is the prime factor expressed in term of prime factor sums. Understands? Clear?
Thank you for joining us.